In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts in Framer. If you're aiming for a polished, on-brand design, getting your own fonts into Framer is a quick win. We'll move through the process smoothly, and I'll point out a few tips to help you avoid common hiccups. Start by opening Framer in your browser and make sure you're in the correct workspace for the project you want to style. From the main dashboard, look to the top left corner and click your profile or workspace icon. This opens a menu where you can access the controls that affect your workspace environment. Next, select Settings. This is where Framer centralizes configuration that applies across projects, including the font library. Inside Settings, find and open the Fonts section. You'll see any fonts already available to your workspace and the option to add new ones. Choose Upload. Your file picker will appear, and you can select the font files you want to add. Framer works best with common web-friendly formats like WAF or WAF2, and it also supports TTF and OTF. If you have multiple styles like regular, medium, and bold or separate italics, upload each file so they're available as distinct weights in your designs. Keep file names clear and consistent to make selection easier later. After you select the files, click Open to confirm. Framer will process the upload and add the fonts to your workspace library. If an upload doesn't go through, double-check the file format and that the files aren't corrupted. It's also a good idea to ensure you have the right to use and embed the fonts, particularly for commercial projects. Once uploaded, your fonts will appear in the font picker across your projects, ready to use on text layers and components. If you don't see them right away, give the page a quick refresh. For best performance, stick to only the weights you truly need, and consider using variable fonts when available to keep your site lighter. That's it. Your custom fonts are now in Framer, organized, and ready for consistent, branded typography.